I want to show you a workflow that has completely revolutionized how I turn long, tedious videos into dozens of shareable, high-impact clips. We have all been there, spending countless hours chopping up footage, exporting multiple formats, and manually scheduling posts every single day. I finally found a way to stop the madness by leaning on a lean stack of AI tools that handle transcription, translation, and automated clipping. In this walkthrough, I will break down exactly how I take a single long-form video and repurpose it into a massive library of ready-to-post content. The absolute first step in my process is generating a rock-solid, accurate transcript for every single piece of raw footage I shoot. Having that text file makes everything downstream significantly faster, whether you are creating captions, searching for sound bites, or translating into new languages. Tools like Descript are fantastic for this because they sync the audio and text perfectly, allowing you to edit the video just by deleting words in the transcript. It is an incredibly intuitive way to clean up your content, fix minor mistakes, and export exactly the file types you need, like SRTs or VTTs. However, while Descript is polished, churning through hours of content every week can get expensive, which is why I use it only as my entry point. My core engine for the actual heavy lifting of clipping is a tool called Vizard, which acts like an automated editor that understands engagement. I upload my long-form video into Vizard and it scans the entire runtime to identify the most viral, punchy moments that are likely to hold attention. It automatically crops the video for social platforms and pulls out 15, 30, and 60-second segments that include the best reactions and sharpest lines. Instead of cutting these manually, I can queue up 10 different long videos at once and let the AI generate a huge batch of clips while I go get coffee. This batching capability alone saves me enough money each month to easily cover the subscription cost because I am not paying an editor for these repetitive cuts. Once the clips are generated, I use Vizard's auto-schedule engine to push these clips directly to my social accounts on a consistent cadence. You can set it to post daily or 3 times a week, and it intelligently respects the formatting requirements for platforms like TikTok or YouTube Shorts. The content calendar is where I manage the entire operation, keeping all my edits, captions, and localized versions organized in one central dashboard. Speaking of localization, this is where I introduce a fast translator like DeepL into the flow to expand my reach into new markets. I take my original transcript from Descript, feed it into DeepL for a high-quality translation, and save that as a new foreign language SRT file. Then, I simply re-upload those caption files into Vizard along with my clips, and suddenly I have native-looking content for Spanish or Japanese audiences. I have used this exact method to repurpose English content into several other languages in a matter of minutes, which instantly broadens my potential reach. Now, it is important to be realistic because while these tools are brilliant, they are not a magic button. You still need to keep your high-res files archived. You also get the best results if you do a quick transcript cleanup before you translate, as fixing minor misheard phrases makes the final output much cleaner. For creators who want to scale without hiring a massive team, this workflow is a game changer because it handles all the mechanical, repetitive labor for you. You retain total creative control. You can edit, tweak, or discard any clip the AI suggests, but you stop spending hours of your life manually dragging timelines. If you want to try this today, take one long video, run a transcript, feed it into the clipping tool, and schedule just 1 week of posts to see the difference. The return on investment is immediate once you stop treating every single clip as a manual project and start treating content as a scalable system. That is my entire workflow in a nutshell, and I really hope this helps you save time while you grow your audience much faster. If you want specific links to these tools or want me to do a live walkthrough with a sample video, just let me know in the comments. Thanks for hanging out, and I will see you in the next video as we continue to scale our content smarter together.